A big thank you to AmCham Heroes and all business leaders. You support the #1 platform for the next generation business leaders in Slovenian business environment. Let's think forward together. Dejan Turk, A1. Jasna Mihael Kusturi, Aviat. Damjan Kralj, BTC. Vanja Hrovat, Generali zavarovalnica. Milan Dragič, Bisnote. Enzo Smrekar, Atlantic Grupa. Matej Zavrl, Goodyear Dunlop Sava Tires. Barbara Domicel, Microsoft. Nevenka Kržan, KPMG. Roberto Roča, Pfizer. Rok Hribar, FMG. Janez Krabec, Riko. Vanja Lombar, OMV. Thank you.